Hello, Contra Costa Association of Realtors, Young Professionals Network. My name is Robert Sogomonian. I am a realtor, just like you, at the CCAR Association. And we have a YPN event coming up called Taxes and Tacos. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a pretty tasty taco dinner. I do have up here a recipe to make some really, really tasty salsa and guac. So be sure you go and take a look at that. Make that either the weekend or the Monday before the Taxes and Tacos event. These are going to be some of the ingredients that you're going to need to make the tacos. You'll need some ground beef, some onion, and some garlic for the meat. And then for the actual toppings, we're just going to be doing some romaine lettuce. I prefer romaine over iceberg, so if you can, grab a head of this or one of those packs of a couple of heads that have already kind of been cleaned for you, and some sharp, not extra sharp, but just sharp cheddar cheese. And then I kind of go the lame route. Laurie's or McCormick also makes really great taco mix, and you can use soft shells. I prefer hard shells. Grab whatever kind of shells you would like to contain your tacos in. We're also going to be doing a margarita demo. So while our tacos are cooking, we're going to be mixing up a pretty nice margarita. I recommend having a shaker tin and a strainer. Doesn't have to be that kind of strainer. It can be really anything that'll strain a liquid. And then a 1 ounce measure if you want to do the mixing route. We are also going to need some tequila. I prefer this brand here. Some orange curacao or Grand Marnier, whichever you prefer, and agave syrup. And then we need some limes because we're going to be squeezing some fresh lime juice. For each margarita, you will need 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. So maybe take care of that before the Taxes and Tacos event. It'll make it a lot quicker when you're putting together your margarita. If you don't have a shaker tin, you don't have to run out and buy one. You can definitely stir this. It's fine. Mixing it gives you more of a traditional kind of margarita flavor. You can also blend it if you really, really want to. We can just upscale the ingredients, toss it into a blender with a bunch of crushed ice, and just blitz it together into a daiquiri style serving. Totally up to you how you want to do it. The ingredients will not change. If you want a strawberry margarita, grab some frozen strawberries, and you're just going to toss those in, mixed in with the ice, and you'll get a really nice strawberry flavor on top of all of these ingredients. So, hope to see you there. Tuesday, the 15th of February, Taxes and Tacos for CCAR YPN, the Young Professionals Network. It's a pleasure to be helping you guys do this and doing a quick taco demo for you all. So hopefully we have a good night and a lot of fun. See you there.